Hi, I am Maria from Crochet Fashion. In today's video tutorial you will see how to crochet simple project with beads. For work I will use a ball of yarn, crochet hook and beads. Before the work I threaded beads onto the working yarn. You can use different colors of beads. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the project. I will begin from the chain. Pull it. I will not use this knot. Then I draw bead, make a chain with bead, like this. Continue working, make a chain and pull up the working loop. Turn the chain with bead like this. Insert the hook into the two loops like this. Pull up the working loop to the level of the chain. First one. In total it should be 5 of them. First one is ready, I need to do 4 more. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the chain, pull up a loop, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I hold all loops with my finger. You should make all strings the same level. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Draw bead. Then make a chain with bead. Pull it. Continue, make a chain. Draw a bead. Make a chain with bead. My chain with bead is ready. I turn my bead to the right side. Make a chain, pull up the working loop, and make 5 strings. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 2 loops, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over the hook, pull through loops on the hook, draw a bead, make a chain with bead, like this. Make a chain without bead, then make chain with bead, and I turn the chain with bead like this to the right side. Let's repeat. Make a chain, pull up the working loop to the level of the stitch, as I did before. Make 5 strings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm done 5 strings. Then yarn over, pull through, draw some beads, make a chain with bead, make a chain and chain with bead. It is going to be a base for the next puff stitch. You should repeat as many times as you need for your project. and you will get funny project. This is double-sided project. In your case, it could be bracelet, necklace, or accessories for kitchen or hair. Here what I have at this point. For your project, you can use different colors of beads, your favorite color of yarn, and crochet hook. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. See you next time, and good luck on crocheting. It was Maria. Bye!